Hello and welcome. Today we'll be making these polymer clay cane Mokume earring mashup. These are the supplies you will need. Any substitutions will be fine. I'm using this silicone mold to make my earrings. You can use whatever you'd like. You can use whatever clay you'd like. I'm using the scraps from my bullseye cane video. Just chop it up into whatever size pieces you would like. Break up the clay so that there are no large pieces stuck together. Take a piece of solid colored clay and chop it up. Break it up and add it to the other chopped clay. Continue chopping until it is all mixed together. Evenly spread it out over the gold clay. And then push it in place so that it sticks to the gold clay. And then roll it up. Roll it around and push it together to work out the air bubbles. And then work it into a rectangular shape. Use any object or tool you have around the house to distort the clay. The more distorted you make it, the more complicated the pattern. There are no mistakes, so just have fun. Now push it back together and smooth out the sides. Shave off thin pieces of clay until you get down to the pattern you would like. I think this looks good. Shave off a few pieces, and then we're going to use this for the mold. Gently push the clay into the mold. And then use the excess to fill it in. Use a roller to firmly push it into place. Use your tissue blade to shave off any excess clay. Pop it out of the mold. Make 4 of these, 2 big and 2 small. Place in your eye hooks. Two on the small and 1 on the large. Bake your pieces. Now glue in your eye hooks. Resin your pieces. and then assemble your earrings. This is the first of 3 pairs of earrings I will be making from my Mokume Gane mashup. Those 2 videos will be coming in the next week or so. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!